The clock is ticking for thousands of immigrants who could soon lose the legal right to live and work in the United States. Tonight, supporters rallying at the Georgia State Capitol demanding Congress step in. Our Daniel Wilkerson talking with an immigration attorney. Daniel, this is a bit of a double-edged sword here. Her mother is Haitian, and she tells us the situation's dire.
Yeah, that's right. Good evening to you, Joshua. This all centers around temporary protected status, or TPS as it's called. It allows people to live and work here in the U.S. temporarily when their country is facing war, natural disasters, or other extraordinary conditions. Now, in this case, we're talking about Haitians and Syrians. The U.S. Supreme Court has cleared the way for the Trump administration to end TPS for hundreds of thousands of immigrants, sparking rallies across the country, including one tonight at the Georgia State Capitol. Now, supporters say the protections have allowed many to live and work legally in the United States for years. Immigration attorneys tell us that their phones have been really ringing nonstop from people afraid of what's coming next.
Those are the people that they are attacking. Everyday people that are walking down the street, who are a part of the Haitian community, who are just here seeking a better life.
So what we have told them is to give us a call and let's talk about strategy. Let's look at what other options they have available to them, and let's see what we can do to gain them status through these other means. Because at the end of the day, TPS, it's in the name, it is temporary.
The Trump administration says TPS was created as a temporary humanitarian program, not a permanent path to stay here in the U.S. Now, that immigration attorney says people should not panic or make hasty decisions without legal advice because every immigration case is different. But I tell you, this is a heated debate. People, as you would imagine, are afraid.
Afraid, and also just so many questions that are going to be out of this. All right, Daniel, thank you very much for that.